Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Ford F-150 blower motor. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, locate the blower motor, which is typically found beneath the passenger side dashboard. Ensure you have all your necessary tools ready, including a screwdriver, a socket wrench, and the new blower motor itself, to make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get to removing the old motor. Begin by carefully taking off any trim panels or covers that might be blocking your access to the blower motor. Once clear, locate and unplug the electrical connector from the motor assembly. Finally, use your socket wrench to remove the 3 to 5 retaining screws that secure the old blower motor in its housing. This will allow you to gently pull it out. With the old motor out, it's time to install the new one. Gently guide the new blower motor into its designated housing opening. Once it's properly seated, use the original 3 to 5 retaining screws to firmly secure it in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new motor, ensuring it clicks securely. This step is crucial for proper operation. You're almost done. Now, carefully reinstall any trim panels or covers you removed earlier, making sure they are securely fastened. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Finally, turn on your ignition and test all the fan speeds to ensure your new blower motor is working perfectly. Enjoy your restored airflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.